Well, first off, it's for everybody, thank you for your service. It's an honor and a privilege to serve. It's not always, people don't always thank you. It's sometimes a thankless job, but if you know that you've done a good job in your heart, then that's really what matters. Hello, I'm Air Force retired Colonel Mike Fincke, NASA astronaut since 1996. The really important part was to learn how to work together. And of course, when you're doing something as joyous and wonderful and amazing as spaceflight, it should be fun. But not all humans get along, so how do we make it work? The biggest thing that, especially in this last mission, was to give each other grace. So if somebody were to mess up, you don't give them a hard time about it. You say, well, that's too bad. How can I help you? Let's we'll get them next time or whatever. And we extended that to ourselves and also to the ground team. It's not too dissimilar as that sometimes, if you're deployed and you think, the people back, at headquarters don't know what they're doing and they're making us do crazy things. Well, you give them some grace, and the folks who are managing from a distance can just say, hey, look, I know all these, these soldiers, these airmen, these seamen, they're trying to do a good job. And if this didn't work out, how do we make it so it can work out next time? We do want to succeed. Everybody wants to succeed. Let's figure out a way to do it better. And this really worked for us, and I have a feeling it works in many different occasions. The main thing is to really honestly keep a good attitude, and because it can be very frustrating when things don't go the way you want, and you still need to be mission ready. I don't think we could have a NASA and send Americans up into space to do some international diplomacy like on the International Space Station if we didn't have a solid base of professionals and people that make big sacrifices so that our country can be so prosperous. If you want to become an astronaut, there's more and more opportunities. And we as military folks, we provide the best things. We know how to be operational, we know how to work in teams, we know how to make things happen, that flexibility, always being ready. Those are really valuable to many space companies. But NASA likes it too. We're looking for people that know aviation, we're looking for people that can be operational, and we hire not just test pilots, but we have people that have been submariners, we have Navy SEALs, we have Army helicopter pilots, and people from the Army who aren't helicopter pilots. We have a lot of really, people who are at the top of their profession, people that are kind and can work together in a team and try to do their very best, because it is really service before self.